Hi everyone. So in this recording I will be talking about distribution of the worker by the occupation group. Okay. By subdivision and as per the division using this National Classification of Occupation Code 2015. Okay. So this was the instruction manual which we have downloaded from the MOSPI website itself. And for the occupation, it has said that we need 3-digit code as per an NCO 2015. And we have seen how to download it in part number 2. And this was the NCO code 2015. The first digit represents the division, the bigger picture, and then subdivision starts from 11, and the group is 111. And we are given till group data. Okay. So let me come to Stata and let me open my master data set, the data set which we have created after merging all the variables. Okay. So this was the do file on which we were working. This is the renaming. Then we have label defined and then we have defined the labor force. For more detail, you can watch part 5 video, which you will find in the playlist. And I will give you the link for the playlist in the description box too. Okay, so now the codes have run and we are good to go. And let me show you the NCO code. So this first one is from principal activity and the second is from subsidiary activity. How I came to know, then you have to read about the documentation file, but still if you want to know, so as you can see, this principal, whatever code is coming above these are belongs to this principal activity only. This NIC is for principal, similarly this NCO is for principal, and this NCO is for subsidiary. Okay, now what do we want? We want for the usual status, which means principal plus subsidiary, and I hope you know what usual status means. If you don't know, then I have uploaded one video explaining this also. Okay, so let us see the data. Tab this NCO. If I do for the principal activity, so there are, I'm not sure how many codes are there, but it is till 3 digit, and we are interested till 3 digit, right? Because 3 digit is our group and subdivision and division. If I take just first digit out of the whole code, then I will be left with the division only. The first 2 digit represents the subdivision. Let me come here. This division, first digit 9 is the division, 96 is the subdivision, and 962 is the group. Okay. So I have already done the coding so that there should be no wastage of time. So firstly, I have renamed for the principal as well as for the subsidiary status. Okay. Then I have said generate a new variable NCO combined, where I am combining this NCO code from principal as well as from subsidiary. And then I have said replace the NCO combined if you find any missing value at NCOPP with NCOSS. Let me run these code and let me show you what do I mean. Browse. So through browse, I can see my uh, oh, so through browse, I can see all my variables. That's all. Nothing fancier. Hmm. So what it has done, six. See, uh, this has given preference to principal activity as I am doing in almost all the videos, and this is the right. This is the way because we have to give the preference to principal activity. Okay, as you can see, I hope you got it what we are trying to do. If it is missing, then only it is taking 753 and it is giving me this. So this is my NCO combined. I can say this is for principal as well as for subsidiary activity or subsidiary status. Now let's move further, and what I am saying, tabulate NCO combined with respect to gender and give the weight to make it for the whole population if sector is equal to 1, which means I am in rural sector and they should be in the labor force, and this is for labor for, oh sorry, male female plus person for the rural area. This is for the urban area, and I have given all the comments so it is easier for you to follow. Rural plus urban, simply I have removed the sector, then it is for both rural as well as for urban. So let me run this code. Okay, now let's check for some. Hmm. What I will do, I will simply make this and let me remove these. Okay. So what I can do is, as you can see, triple one is, why the difference is coming? It's 0.7, it's 0.6. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. Okay, so well, I am checking for the rural plus urban, but I am seeing only for the rural. I have run too many codes at once and I was scratching my head how the things have gone wrong. Okay, so as you can see for triple one, it's 0.05, 0.06, 0.05. Let's check for some random 311. Okay, 311, where it is. Hmm, you can see it's 0.07, 0.01, 0.05. Right, all right. Now let's move to some random code 962, maybe the last one. This is 0.9, 0.09, 0.09. Right, now we have moved to urban. Okay, so this one is for urban, and we can check maybe from end itself, then it would save our time. So it's 0.24, 0.21, 0.23. As you can see, we have matched this also, and hopefully for rural plus urban as well, we have matched the results. Okay, so we are good to go. All right, we have found for the group. What do I mean when I say group? Group is this for the triple digit. Now let's move for the subdivision. All right. So what I'm saying generate a new variable called NCO subdivision. How to do that? Make a substring from the variable NCO combined starting from 1, extract first 2 digit. 2 means 1, 2. If I would have written 3, then it would have extracted 3 digit, although we have only till 3 digit, so it makes no sense. When we will be making the code for division, which means we want only first digit. Hence, I have written 1 here. So here I have created one another variable NCO division, and likewise. So as you can see, let me run all these, and I have to go one by one to check. Okay, so let's start from the back. Yes, why can't I see? Hmm. Okay, so this is for what? This is for division. So division is what? 9. So for division 9, you can see here for division 9, it's this is for rural plus urban, mind you. This is for rural plus urban. So in this line, 21.25, 21.32, one decimal here and there doesn't matters. 21.28, right? Let's check for let's check for this for urban sector and for division 2. Okay, so I have to move up where it is. This. Yes, here we go. And this is 11.18, 18.21, 13.01. Right. Now let's check for rural, maybe 7, 6. Let's go for 6 so that I don't have to scroll much. You can check on your own as well. Where is division 6? So yes, 41.6, 62.32, 49.45. And you can check for this also for this subdivision case. And I have checked. You can check also. That's all for this video. And in next recording, I'm not sure. Maybe I will try to do for these states how to do these things. And maybe 2 3 more videos, then I will wrap up this series. Thank you so much.